Welcome to this virtual session on why your business deserves Cisco security. I am Fahim Jilani, Head of Technology Practices from Nets International Communication, welcoming you all to this online video session on behalf of Cisco, one of the top technology partner, and Logicom, one of the top technology distributor in the region. We will share with you how Cisco has built a world-class security platform with tools and control that will help you accelerate your business growth. We aim to focus on three things in this online session. Firstly, share with you an overview of the typical challenges faced by companies like you when securing IT resources and information assets the organization. Secondly, we share with you why and who Cisco Security is the best option with its simpler approach to cybersecurity as a whole. Then thirdly, we will showcase some of the solutions that Cisco has built to make businesses like you safe, secure, and resilient. Most critical challenges many businesses typically face is complexity. Mostly all of us have limited time and limited resources. So all of us need IT security to be simple and end-to-end. Information security is becoming very complex and dynamic to manage. Obviously, it can be overwhelming for our smaller businesses. So it's time for a simpler approach. Another typical challenge is how to allow your employees to stay connected and work securely wherever they are, whatever devices they are using. This means we need a setup that may include on-premise IT network, endpoint, and many other connecting devices. Also, you need to protect your customer data and your own intellectual property and financial data. We can't emphasize this enough. The data you hold is extremely valuable. That's why we say you deserve the best of IT security for your business. We often speak with businesses who believe that because they are smaller, they are not interesting to the hacktivist and cyber criminal. But that is just not true. In fact, smaller businesses are hit by 62% of all cyber attacks, and often the smaller customers are a gateway to the bigger one. We call these supply chain attacks, and they are responsible for some of the biggest breaches that we have seen. As per Gulf Business Report, as many as 82% organizations in the UAE face at least one cyber attack in 2019, and more so. As many as 75% respondents admitted that they trained their employees on cybersecurity best practices twice a year or less. No company, including yours, will wish to part of this statistics. Damage to your company reputation can be huge, and your business face threat on many fronts, and then more user devices and application you add, the more exposed your network become. It's critical that organizations detect threat more quickly. The current industry average time to respond to a new threat is over 100 days. That is just not good enough. Let us pose some valid questions. How many different security vendors are you managing today? Are any of your security products integrated? Can your firewall talk to the rest of your security ecosystem? If a cyber attack was to occur, where would you start? In short, is your security too complicated? Before accepting why Cisco, try to understand the complexity of the security posture of your business. Ask yourself how you want to protect your business. As you will agree, Cisco Security can consolidate security challenges of a running business like you to a single click possibility without compromise. Branch offices, remote employees, work from home culture, mobile devices, or BYOD, and yes, small to large IT infrastructure. Security is made simple by Cisco. We all believe that security needs to be more automated, and that's what Cisco Security is promising towards. Cisco Security is equal to power of simplicity. How Cisco Security makes all these happen? Cisco Security allows business firms to manage risk more effectively as you grow. Cisco make you stay one step ahead of the hackers by leveraging Talos. Cisco allow you to seamlessly add new capabilities, new integration across your existing portfolio, and most importantly, invest with confidence in a platform designed for now and for the future. Of course, not enough you secure your internal resources. Secure access to the internet across the network and endpoint is critical. Moving data to the cloud means that you must ensure your data is safe wherever it is, whether it is in your data center or in a public or private cloud. As mentioned briefly before, Cisco Talos bring great security benefits and free. Cisco security team comprise of one of the largest commercial threat intelligence teams in the world. With Cisco, you can secure your network, endpoint, and cloud. So let's start with network security. Securing your on-premises network is the foundation to any effective security posture, and here Cisco offers multiple solutions. First logical step is to modernizing firewalling efforts start with Cisco next generation firewalls. They are the powerful foundation to the most comprehensive security platform on the planet. These firewalls come with world-class security controls, unified policy and threat visibility, and the ability to turn your entire network into an extension of security architecture. With a Cisco next generation firewall, you eliminate security gaps and can integrate all kinds of heterogeneous networks. Also, you can enforce consistent security across public and private clouds for threat management. Cisco Next Generation IPS is based on Cisco Open Architecture with support for Azure, AWS, VMware, and more with ease of management. Cisco Next Generation Firewall comes with variety of physical form factors and virtual options, and you can find the optimal solution for your needs. While talking about network security, it is more than necessary to talk about endpoint security. Businesses are continually being attacked by phishing, negative social engineering, and web-based attack. Secure access to the internet across the network and endpoint is critical. Also, moving data to the cloud means that you must ensure that data is safe wherever it is, whether it is in your data center or in a public or private cloud. Endpoint deserve best security. That means Cisco AMP security. Here is a quick overview of the Cisco AMP for endpoints. It is good to understand that AMP has several engines that work together to prevent, detect, and eliminate malware in three distinct phases: prevent, detect, and reduce risk. With simple and easy to use interface, Cisco Anti-Malware Platform, shortly Cisco AMP, provides the best means of how to protect your laptop, mobiles, endpoints simply, prevent, detect, and reduce risk. Moving on to cloud security. we know that users work from many locations on many devices. They might be doing some work without connecting to the VPN. They may be using cloud applications. Most of those applications need to be protected. They may need to be enforced with certain policies. But at the same time, they may continue to work at their best without compromise. So here is where Cisco Umbrella can help. Cisco Umbrella helps to protect your users both on and off network, and it will stop their devices from connecting to malicious. Cisco Umbrella is delivered from the cloud. It can be deployed to all of your users within minutes, not months, because Cisco Umbrella is the easiest way to protect your users. Because it is delivered from the cloud, there is no hardware to install or software to manually update. And because we use the domain name system or DNS as the primary mechanism to get traffic to our platform, forwarding your traffic to us is as simple as changing one setting in your network devices. So what is next? The easiest way for us to show you the power of Cisco security, as you can try it out. We have free trials demos available on cisco.com for all our security needs. You can reach us, speak to us, and engage with us the way that suits you. We can offer you with network security health check, solution demos, or free trials based on your needs and our engagement. Thanks for listening. We are just one click away.